Hi friends, today we will see a quick demo on SnowSQL and also see what all OS SnowSQL supports and how to install, configure and then connect and use SnowSQL using SnowSQL. So let's get started. So basically what is SnowSQL? So SnowSQL is nothing just a new next generation CLI tool to connect to Snowflake, just like any other cloud provider. So they has also given their command line tightly integrated CLI tool to which we can use to execute our DDL and DML statement. And like it can be also run as an interactive shell or in batch mode. And SnowSQL is an example of an application developed using the Snowflake connector for Python. However, this is not a prerequisite to download the SnowSQL or use the SnowSQL. All the required software for installing SnowSQL is bundle installer. So we don't need to do anything, just need to grab the software from the portal and then just start go getting. So basically, all the major OS are being supported by SnowSQL. So you can take it Linux, Mac OS, or Mac or Microsoft Windows. Today in the demo, I will show you how to download for the Windows version. For the rest other thing, you can go ahead and deep dive into the installation guide. The link is here. For Windows to download, you have to go into the Snowflake web UI and then under help, under download, you will see this kind of a small window will pop up. Under CLI client software, you can see there is an option and you can choose from where you want to download. So today I will select for the Windows. So let's quickly go to the web UI. I have already connected. I will go to help, download. I will click on Windows version. I will go on Bootstrap 1.2 Windows. So here I have to look for the latest version and okay, this is the latest version. So when I click on this, it will start downloading, but I will not invest time on downloading because I have already downloaded, but it will be a quick one. So let me just install this. So it will be pretty much quick. It will not take much time. So I just have to give the permission and boom, it's done. So now since I have done, let me open my command prompt in the administrator mode so that I don't have any permissions issues. Yes, now let me quickly check whether my installation is done or not. So I will write SnowSQL-p. Let me see whether it's SnowSQL. So if it's downloaded, it will give me the version of the SnowSQL which I have installed. Else it will give me an issue. Pretty much. So the time it is taking till the time I will just grab one important info from here. So to connect, I need this info. I need the account info. So I'm quickly copying this information till the time I get the so my NoSQL is done properly. You can see that the version number is 1.2.14. So that's the latest one. So there is two ways you can download. You can use NoSQL or you can connect NoSQL. Is like one way you can provide all the parameters on the command line and connect, or you can use the config file to give all the parameter which you don't want to give every time when you want to connect, and you can always provide the password on the fly. So today let me show you both the way. So I will just say snow SQL, then I will say -a for account. I will paste the account information which I take from the web UI. Then I will put -u, which means the username. So for my username is this. I will press enter. It will ask me for the password. Generally it takes some time to prompt for the password, but the moment it will prompt, we will quickly get connected. So let's just quickly wait for yeah, so we have a password. Let me quickly connect. MFA is enabled, so it will ask me for approval. Let me approve. Yep, bingo, I'm connected. So you can see that the default password, default warehouse is given on the connect, and I have to select for the database and for the schema. So let me quickly get out of this. To exit, I have to type exclamation mark and exit. Yep, it said goodbye, I'm out. How to connect via config. So by default, whenever you install, there is a file created on as a hidden file. SnowSQL get created under your user and your usernames folder. So there is a file called config. You can open this one, and these are the config file where you can provide lots of different parameters based on your requirement. You can even create your specific connections like with a tag like say production, acceptance, development, and you can also provide a default one when nothing is no one has provided anything. You can connect with the default one. So today I'm going to use the default one. So for that I will just give the account name and I will give just the username. So as you know, my username was Rajiv Gupta 70214. Let me quickly grab the account name from here. Copy. Put the account number here. Let me save this. And now I will go to the here. So now I will not type any other details like last time. I will just write SnowSQL hyphen config, and then I will give the path of this file. So this is my path, so I will give this and then config, the name of the file, and it will ask me the password like last time, and then I will have to approve the MFA. So generally it's taking some time. Not sure what is the issue, but yeah, okay, it's not that big deal, but yeah, okay. Yep, it asked me the password, and then now MFA. Let me approve this. Yep, bingo, I have connected. So let me quickly select a database. So to select that, I have to write select database. So you can see that everything is getting auto-populated with a drop down, which is very handy because I don't have to type anything like now. Sorry, database, and then I have to select DemoDB. So I don't have to remember everything. Everything is coming on the fly. So now you can see that previously there was only warehouse which was selected. Now I have the database and the schema as well. So I can quickly uh, create a table. So I'm just creating a dummy table, nothing special, just to show you that I can create by command line. Yes, it's get created. Let me insert some data, one row. Yep, let me select from test table. So it will give me the one record. Yes, so say if I want to see the help, so I have to write like exclamation mark and then help. So these are the help keywords. If you want any help on this command, you can go ahead and check. So if you want to print anything, so you can like just like a DBMS output in Oracle, you can do here as well. So you can just write print hello world. Yep. So you have seen like how I can use or we can use the SnowSQL very easily. It's just a command line tool like anything. Like if you have used Oracle, you know that how you use SQL Plus. So it's just another tool from SnowSQL, but it is tightly integrated with SnowSQL, Snowflake, and you can use all the features which you can use on the web UI. You can do it from the SnowSQL. So let's go back to our presentation. All right. So if you want to go ahead and read more details on how to do the config for different varieties of the parameters, you can go ahead on this link and see. If you want to see more details on other syntax and the variety of how to use this, how to connect through SnowSQL, you can go ahead. And thank you guys. And if you have not subscribed, like, and share my channel, please do that.